Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how I do my natural soft winged eyeshadow look, so let's get started. After moisturizing and adding sunscreen, I am going to first add the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter powder all over my face. So I learned this technique on TikTok and I love it so much, it makes your makeup so smooth. And then I spray some Fix Plus on and then go in with the La Mer primer. This primer is amazing. I love it so much. Now I'm coating my brows with the IT Cosmetics Brow Power Filler. I love this product so much, it's always in my kit. Using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer and just a flat brush, I'm going to buff it out and then just kind of clean up the edges on my eyebrows. Next, I'm using a color corrector from Charlotte Tilbury to cover up any blemishes in my dark circles, and then going back with the Too Faced concealer on top of everything to conceal even better. And I know what you're thinking, oh my gosh, Annie, that's kind of a lot, but you know what? That's the way I like it. Next, I'm going in with one of my favorite foundations ever, the Dior Air Flash. This foundation is super lightweight and looks so good in pictures. So using the Studio Fix 24-Hour Concealer, I am going to highlight my face. And to blend all of this out, I enjoy using a brush much more than a sponge, just because it's less messy and it gives you more coverage. But to make it not look streaky, make sure when you're buffing it out to use a pressing motion and not a dragging motion. Now I'm going back with the Fenty Beauty Powder Foundation and setting the rest of my face. Next, I'm using my favorite bronzer from Estee Lauder to warm up my face and kind of sculpt out my jawline as well as my cheekbones. What I love about this bronzer is that it's not too orange or too kind of like ashy gray. It's the right amount of warmth and it has also kind of a glow to it as well. Next, I'm just packing on some blush from Makeup Revolution. Now I'm going back with the Estee Lauder bronzer to contour my nose, and I do notice that using a bronzer as a contour is a little bit easier to blend out, and it's also more forgiving as well as natural versus using a liquid contour. Going back with the Laura Mercier translucent powder, I am going to set the sides of my nose and just really snatch my nose contour. And the closer the powder placement is to your nose bridge, the smaller your nose will look. Now I let it sit and bake. Next, I'm using a soft brown taupey color from the Violet Voss Like a Pro palette and putting it all over my lid. Then, using a darker brown color from the same palette, I am going to put that all over my lash line and winging it out. And to give my eyeshadow look a gradient effect, I am going to focus on making my lash line much darker than the rest of my eyeshadow. And once I kind of have a general shape of the wing, I'm going back with a fluffy brush to blend everything out. And I feel like the trick to do an eyeshadow wing is to honestly put down the wing first and then going back to blend everything out since the shape is already there. And your wing will also look a little bit cleaner as well. And using the same dark brown color, I'm going to go back and add some on the outer corners of my lash line. After spraying my angled brush, I am going to dip it in a dark brown color and then start my inner corner eyeliner. Then I'm going to create an outer wing and then fill in the rest of my lash line. Using the e.l.f. Clear Brow Mascara, I'm going to brush all of my brow hairs upwards and out. Then I am setting my face with the MAC Fix Plus. Now I'm going back with the same Makeup Revolution palette and highlighting the rest of my face, starting with my cheekbones, then my nose bridge, and then my brow bones. Using my favorite mascara from Hourglass, I'm going to coat my top and bottom lashes. And once I'm all done, I'm going to add some falsies off camera. And now I'm going to line my lips using one of my favorite lip liners from Morphe. That's the Guide Me lip liner. This is my ride or die. I have like 10 of these laying around in my room. They go with me everywhere, always in my kit, always in my purse. My favorite lip combo consists of this lip liner and the Charlotte Tilbury Bitch Perfect lipstick. Since the lipstick is much lighter than the lip liner, I'm going to just put it in the center of my lips to create that really pouty look. And here's the final look. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel. I will definitely be back again this year to give you more makeup content. So see you soon, besties.